Hello, it's me, Nara Ayomi. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the art of foreplay. Many men rush straight to penetration, overlooking the importance of foreplay, which is crucial for turning women on. Women need time to get aroused, and a proper build-up can lead to mind-blowing experiences for both partners. In this video, I'm sharing 7 incredibly sexy foreplay moves that women crave. Master these, and you'll become a sexual rock star, making her desperate for you. Let's get started. 1. Start outside the bedroom. Foreplay can begin long before you reach the bedroom. Engage in light flirting, touching, or kissing in unexpected places like the kitchen or office. This surprise element builds anticipation and excitement. 2. Dirty talk. Effective dirty talk can make a woman soaking wet with desire. Use the power of words to tease and turn her on. Check out my other video on dirty talk for some useful tips. 3. Use your tongue. Passionate, deep kisses using your tongue can heat things up quickly. Just be careful not to overdo it. Start light and gradually increase the intensity to drive her wild. 4. Kiss her neck. The neck is a very sensitive area. Kiss and lightly nibble on the neck, especially where it connects to the shoulder. Take your time here. It's a huge turn-on. 5. Undress her. Undressing her slowly after passionate kissing and touching is incredibly hot. Don't let her take her clothes off, you do it. This shows care and builds anticipation. 6. Play with her breasts. Spend more time on her breasts. They are highly sensitive, and many women can orgasm from breast play alone. Fondle, kiss, and gently nibble them, and return to them periodically during foreplay. 7. Multitask. Use multitasking to maximize stimulation. For example, if you're fingering her, use your other hand to touch her breasts or kiss her. This keeps her engaged and turns her on faster. Joy Mode sponsor shout-out. Joy Mode offers natural, science-backed sexual wellness products for men. Their sexual performance booster increases blood flow to your penis, enhancing your performance and making you more irresistible to women. Use code MARNI for 20% off your first order at joymode.com/marnik. By mastering these moves, you will positively stand out in bed and make her eager to come back for more. Remember, the key to great foreplay is taking things slow. Women need more time to get turned on, so be patient and enjoy the process. If you want more tips on turning women on with your words, check out my best-selling program, The F Formula. It's a step-by-step guide to making women crave you sexually. Click the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips on what women really want. See you next week.